Thermopride furnaces are designed and built tough for lifetime comfort. Thermopride oil furnaces come in 4 configurations. Our furnaces are unique in that we use an octotherm heat exchanger. This design forces flue gases into a high rate of agitation as they pass through the heat exchanger. This process increases heat transfer and efficiency, resulting in more uniform surface heating. Our heat exchangers are fabricated of 13-gauge copper-coated steel. The copper coating helps prevent corrosion and promotes the best heat transfer. Thermopride furnaces are engineered and manufactured in the United States. Beckett AFG, Riello, and Carlin burners are available on select models. Advanced high-efficiency controls mounted at the front of the cabinet for easy setup and access. Rounded corners and interlocking cabinet panels give added stability and quiet operation. The combustion observation port provides for easy burner calibration. All Thermopride oil furnaces are air conditioning ready, with options available to handle up to 5 nominal tons of airflow. We stand behind our products with our peace of mind lifetime limited warranty on the heat exchanger and a 10-year parts warranty. Our warranty is non-prorated, and the heat exchanger warranty automatically transfers to subsequent homeowners. Together, these make up Thermopride's continued commitment to providing products that are built tough for lifetime comfort.